Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and MDCat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is oral cavity is bounded by all except A. Cheeks, B. Palate, C. Teeth, and D. Salivary gland. So the correct option is D. Salivary gland. The next MCQs is the polaric sphincter is present between the stomach and A. Esophagus, B. Colon, C. Duodenum, and D. Ileum. So the correct option is C. Duodenum. The next MCQ is a muscular sphincter that regulates the opening of the esophagus into the stomach is A. Pyloric sphincter, B. Sphincter of Oddi, C. Esophageal sphincter, and D. Curvic sphincter. So the correct option is C. Esophageal sphincter. The next MCQ is select the incorrect match. A. Gland position. Chicks, parotid, C. B. Lower jaw, submaxillary, submandibular, C. Below tongue, sublingual, and D. Pineal gland, spinal gland. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is chylomicrons are concerned with the A. Digestion of fats, B. Digestion of proteins, C. Absorption of proteins, and D. Absorption of fats. So the correct option is D. Absorption of fats. The next MCQ is which one has the smallest diameter? A. Right bronchus, B. Secondary bronchioles, C. Left bronchus, and D. Respiratory bronchioles. So the correct option is D. Respiratory bronchiole. The next MCQ is the largest quantity of air that can be expired after maximum inspiratory effort is A. Residual volume, B. Vital capacity, C. Tidal volume, and D. Total lung volume. So the correct option is B. Vital capacity. The next MCQ is oxygen binding to hemoglobin is A. Directly proportional to CO2 concentration, B. Inversely proportional to CO2 concentration, C. Directly proportional to CO concentration, and D. Independent of CO concentration. So the correct option is B. Inversely proportional to the CO2 concentration. The next MCQ is identify A to D in the given figure in the given below in the given figure below. A. Plasma membrane, B. Plasmodesmata, and C. Epidermal cell, and D. Casparian strip. B. Casparian strip, B. Epidermal cell, C. Plasmodesmata, and D. Plasma membrane. C. Plasmodesmata, B. Epidermal cell, C. Casparian strip, and D. Plasma membrane. D. Epidermal cell, B. Plasma membrane, C. Casparian strip, and D. Plasmodesmata. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is basophil secretes A. Histamines, B. Heparin, C. Serotonin, and D. All A, B, C. So the correct option is D. All A, B, C. The next MCQ is how many papillary muscles are present and left ventricle? A 1, B 3, C 2, and D. So the correct option is C 2. The next MCQ is which of the following are triploblastic and isolumate? A. Sponge, B. Platyhelminths, C. Annelida. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is Drosera intermedia is generally known as A. Sundew, B. Pitcher plant, C. Morels, and D. Venus flytrap. So the correct option is A. Sundew. The next MCQ is which of these makes the bird line of defense? A. Neutrophils, B. Macrophages, C. Skin, and D. Lymphocytes. So the correct option is A. D. Lymphocytes. The correct option is D. Lymphocytes. The next MCQ is antibodies consist of A. 1 chain, B. 2 chains, C. 3 chains, and D. 4 chains. So the correct option is D, 4 chains. The next MCQ is senile RBC breakdown occurs mainly in A, bone marrow, B, liver, C, lymph nodes, and D, spleen. So the correct option is D, spleen. The next MCQ is all of the given vein carries deoxygenated blood except A, superior vena cava, B, hepatic vein, C, inferior vena cava, and D, pulmonary vein. So the correct option is D, pulmonary vein. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.